This is the toy robot that I bought from the market. I have to activate it manually. Here is a switch to activate it. This is the switch. So I have transferred this toy robot to a wireless smart toy. These are the components that I have used. This is the power bank to power up the Node MCU board. This is the relay module to control the supply voltage, and this is the toy robot. To control the supply voltage of this toy robot, we have used a 4-channel relay module. To control this relay module, we have used a Node MCU. This Node MCU D1 pin is connected with the in1 pin of this relay module, and to control to supply the voltage of this relay module, we have connected the VCC to this V in, and the ground pin is connected to the ground of this relay module, and we have used a power bank to supply the power to the Node MCU board. This Node MCU board is connected with mobile hotspot to control the power wirelessly. To control the Node MCU, we have used the blink app. This is turned on. So we are controlling the robot wirelessly. This is turn off. Again turn on. Again turn off. Thank you. To open Play Store, then search Blink BLYNK. Then we have to download the app. I have already downloaded the app. Then open, then login. Then we have to create an account. I have already created an account. Then we have to create a new project. For that we have to press on the plus icon. Then we have to give the project name. Here I am using wireless toy. Then we have to select the board. Here I am using Node MCU board. Then we have to select the mode of connection. It is already Wi-Fi. Then we have to create a authentication code will send into our Gmail. Then for button, we have to press on the plus icon again, then button. Then we have to set up the button. First we have giving the name of the button. Here I am using relay 1. You can use any other name. Then we have to select the pin of the Node MCU. Here I am selecting D1 pin. Then as I am using active low relay, here is 1 for on and 0 for off, and switch. It is done. Also we can resize the button size. Then for the authentication token will be sent in our Gmail. Here is my authentication token. We have to copy this. Then we have to open the Arduino app. In Arduino app we have to go to the tools, then library, manage library. Then we have to wait for loading. After loading, we have to type blink to install the package. Here I have already installed the blink package. The first one is the correct package. I have already installed it. Then we have to click close after installing. Then we have to select file, then example, then blink, then board Wi-Fi as we are using Node MCU board, then Node MCU, the program will appear here. We have to upload this program in our Node MCU board. The authentication token that I have already copied, here I have to paste it, and this is my Wi-Fi name. You can use your Wi-Fi. Then Wi-Fi password. Then we have to select the board. Here, as I am using Node MCU board, we have to select it, Node MCU 1.0. Then after selecting, we have to upload the program in Node MCU board. My Node MCU connected in the COM3 port. You have to select the port and the program will be uploaded successfully. Running